Hello and good morning, everybody. You're with Martin Panev, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst, GDMFX. Welcome to today's European session morning outlook. Starting with a brief glance at what happened yesterday. Basically, the US dollar was in the spotlight in the middle and early and middle sessions in Europe and United States trading sessions. Firstly, we saw better than expected GDP data, preliminary GDP data, way more positive than expected. Of course, the Dixie or the ICE index, which measures the US dollar's strength versus 6 major rivals, went sky high. Again, the bulls were on parade. The JPY was one of the biggest victims yesterday, even though a positive outlook in the property sector in Japan showed some positive signs, and then again has managed to pull back another 20 pips later in the evening. A few hours later, Miss Yellen, Janet Yellen, the Fed chairwoman, told us that the inflation is nearing the long-term expectations, but still there's a slack in the labor market, and it's still keeping the Fed to hike the interest rate sooner than next year. Another $10 billion US dollars cut on the QE, currently to $25 billion a month. But then again, investors were pretty much expecting that, so it didn't affect the market that much. So in summary, we saw an increase on the USD value for a couple of hours, and then a correction followed right away. Today, we will see the European area unemployment and retail sales in Germany and the consumer basket prices. Later on, the Canadians will post their GDP monthly revenue, not with any significant impact on the trend, but then again, stay cautious. The regular Thursday unemployment data in the United States, followed by the Chicago PMI, which is used to indicate the overall economic condition in the U.S., and later on, the natural gas stockpiles. So keep an eye on that. In the end of the day, there will be the manufacturing indicator for the land down under, and it usually has some impact on the trend too, so keep an eye on that. In the middle of the night, the start of the manufacturing data for some of the major world economies will start pouring. The start will be from China Purchasing Managers Index, and then again the HSBC Manufacturing Index will start bit by bit all through the day. Tomorrow we're going to see a lot of manufacturing all over the major economies on the planet. And again, tomorrow, the NFP day, non-farm payrolls on Friday. Of course, we're happy to be a part of the trading in such situations, as well as some of you, I suppose. So please keep track on the updates that we post on the website and your emails. Keep an eye on the calendar on our website. Stay tuned, and I wish you to have a successful trading day. Cheers. Bye-bye for now.